Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get your EIN. Alright, let's begin. First, go to the official IRS website. If you don't have the link, just search Get Employer Identification Number and select the IRS website. Once on the site, scroll down and click on the Apply for an EIN button. This will redirect you to the EIN assistant. You may encounter some pop-ups, so be sure to read them and click OK to proceed. To complete this process, make sure you have all the necessary details ready. You will need to provide information such as your legal structure, business address, and other documentation. Start by selecting the legal structure of your business, such as sole proprietor, partnership, corporation, or limited liability company. The IRS provides a description of each option, so choose the one that applies to you. After that, click Continue. Next, select your business type, such as starting a new business. Continue filling out the necessary fields like your name, address, and phone number. Ensure that the details you provide match IRS records. Then, enter your business details, such as the legal name, state, and county. Finally, you will need to choose how you'd like to receive your EIN confirmation letter. You can opt to receive it online or by mail. The online option is faster, while mail delivery may take up to 4 weeks. So that's basically how you can get your EIN. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.